Tired of staring at a blank canvas when you need to quickly edit an image in Ubuntu? Let's dive into how to open and use a fantastic Paint application in Ubuntu, since it doesn't come pre-installed. First, we'll explore a few popular options: Pinta, GIMP, and Krita, and then show you how to get them installed. Our first, and often easiest, step is using the Ubuntu Software Center. It's like your app store. Open it up and use the search bar at the top. Type in the name of your desired application, for example, Pinta. Click on the result. You'll see a description and an install button. Click that. You might need to enter your password, and then the installation will begin. After a short wait, the install button changes to a launch button and you're ready to start. Okay, you can find and launch your image editing app in the application launcher, usually accessible by clicking the Show Applications button, represented by a grid of dots usually at the bottom left of your screen. Simply search through the app drawer or type the name. Finally, click its icon to open the program. Now you are ready to start editing, whether it's adjusting colors, adding text, or drawing freehand. The skills are the same no matter which tool you choose. If Pinta isn't to your liking, you can follow the same directions to install GIMP or Krita instead. So, there you have it. You are all set to start editing. Now you are well on your way to creating fantastic images in Ubuntu. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tips.